train journey to Bangalore is a memorable experience that combines comfort, scenic beauty, and the excitement of travel. The journey begins at Alua railway station in Kerala, where passengers board the train and settle into their seats. As the train moves forward, it passes through lush green landscapes, coconut groves, rivers, and small towns that showcase the natural beauty of Kerala. Watching the changing scenery from the train window is one of the highlights of the trip. Along the way, the train stops at several important stations, giving passengers a glimpse of different cultures and lifestyles. As the train enters Tamil Nadu and later Karnataka, the landscape changes from dense greenery to open plains and blustering urban areas. Fellow passengers often share stories, snacks, and conversations, making the journey more enjoyable and social. The route gradually takes travelers through the Western Ghats, offering stunning views of hills, forests, and valleys. After several hours of travel, the train finally reaches Bangalore, the vibrant capital of Karnataka. Known as India's Silicon Valley, Bangalore welcomes visitors with its modern skyline, pleasant weather, and lively atmosphere. The journey from Alua to Bangalore is not just a means of transportation, but an enjoyable travel experience filled with beautiful sights and memorable moments.